Welcome to Letters to 30, y'all. I'm Nick, and today we are in Santa Monica about to go on a long run. This is a 9-mile run. Crazy. Today is Sunday. I'm trying to get 3 running videos done or run 3 times this week before I leave for vacation. I'm going to do my long run in Santa Monica today. Running is not meant to be hard, okay? You gotta make it feel good for your body. This running journey has been a lot more challenging to find motivation than my previous running journey that I did. So, it's just interesting, but I know this is so good for my body at the end of the day, so good for my mental energy, my emotional energy, physical energy, and that's why I will always say yes to running, because it really makes you feel good at the end of the day. It's hard when you go through it, but you apply the same principles that you do with running to life, and for some reason, we're locked in. So I'm feeling good, y'all, ready to knock out these 9 miles and take my time with it. Okay, you got to do you at the end of the day, y'all. All right, I'll see you on the other side. 6.89 miles in. That's basically 7. I love running in Santa Monica. Look how pretty. Look at the beach. So, yeah. The vibes are vibing. I'm living. Yeah, she's vibing. She's vibing. I averaged a 12:40 pace, which is pretty damn good, okay? For 9.32 miles, I think that's 15K. Yeah, so here I am resting. I'm about to stretch. I'm back at my car. There's a lot of people out. A lot of people trying to take this parking spot. But, we don't just hop in and drive. We prioritize stretching. So that's what we're going to do. So let's talk about this run. This run was good. This run was definitely long. And I haven't done a 9+ mile run in so long. So I'm so big proud of myself. It was very hard in the beginning. I was so tight. Everything felt so heavy in the beginning. But I'm going to put that toward my period. Of course, it was more than just my period. But yeah, definitely felt tight. Very much like I needed to loosen up. And I don't think I really felt loose until like 2.5 miles in. So sometimes it takes a while to actually feel good when you're running. Like, that's why I like long running, because it gives you a chance to actually get your body into it. Let me show you guys my recovery shoes. I hate vlogging around people. I've wore these a lot, so they're not fresh anymore, but these are called the OOFOS. OOFOS. These are recovery slides. These recovery slides, these are everything. Shout out to Keisha. She ordered these for me because she knows that I'm training for my DC half marathon. And putting these on after my run, look at them. I can't believe I just finished 9 miles, y'all. 9 miles is actually insane. So these are my snacks. I have this Too Good yogurt treats. Yogurt, protein, and carbs. Okay, then I have a peach. So I'm gonna eat these in the car. And I also have sunflower seeds, sunflower kernels. So these are my little post-run snacks. It's important to fuel up. As always, thank you for staying along for my first run in this week of running with me. Running is my therapy. Running is what I do. It's all about feeding it to myself. So that's it for now. I'm about to go get my snacks and drive home. Love you guys. Bye. See you for the next run. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Monday. I did my long run yesterday. It was so good in Santa Monica. It was everything I needed, and I had an amazing dinner after. So always fuel up after your runs. That's why I'm feeling good today. I've been staying hydrated. Let me actually drink the rest of this. No, but seriously, staying hydrated during the week is so important to have good runs. So here I am now drinking my pre-workout. Here's my Red Yeti can. You guys know I love my Red Yeti. So I like to work out once I'm done all of my work, all of my to-do list items, because that way I'm focused in and nothing else is on my mind. Today I am going to go to LA Fitness and I'm going to do my run there. And I will try to record as much as I can for my run. But as you guys know and saw last time, I'm using Nike Run Club app. So today I'm doing a recovery run in the gym, 15 minutes on the treadmill. And usually when I do my recovery runs on the treadmill, my pace, my speed is about at 5.0 or 5.2. I don't really go any faster than that. So this is what the recovery run looks like on the app. You can't really see the text, I don't think. There we go. Effort, very low. So this is the one I'm going to do today. And I'm excited for it because these are the ones where I just run. I just do what I like to do. I'm not worried about speed. I'm not worried about anything but just getting through. And after that long run yesterday, I can't take on a speed run today. I'm going to save my speed run for Wednesday before I go on vacation on Thursday. So stick along, stick around, and come with me to LA Fitness because I am about to do a 15-minute recovery run. Hey guys, I'm back home. Just finished up my gym sesh. I normally spend about an hour and a half in the gym on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So today I did my 15-minute recovery run through the Nike Run Club app. I'm loving the Nike Run Club 12-week training program. It's a little bit different than the last training program I did with Nike, so I'm loving it. And, I did a lot of strength training after I ran. But what was most important for me is to show you guys my stretching, which I did for a very long time because I really wanted to make sure that I loosened up my body after that long run that I did yesterday. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the stretching that helps me as a runner. I try to focus my run trainings on something because it just motivates me. And I am really focusing in on my heart rate as I run. It's not all about the numbers with the speed and how many miles, it's other numbers too. Like my heart rate was way too high for this. It's really bright, but my heart rate was 161 for this recovery run. That is way too high. Yesterday, when I did my long run, my heart rate was 144, around that. So clearly I ran, I don't know. I don't know why me doing a 13:20 average pace had my heart rate so high. I think maybe the treadmill and feeling like I needed to go faster and faster and faster, which isn't what it's supposed to be for your recovery runs. But it's cool. I did it. A win is a win. I'm happy I did it. And I am starving right now, and it's so important to fuel up after your runs. So I am about to hop in the shower. Really, I am decompressing. I am calming down for the rest of the night. So this is where I turn off my technology and I'm prioritizing rest. Your runs are only as good as your rest days, like your true rest days. So I am going to continue hydrating. I'm going to heat up my chicken lettuce wraps that I make. A lot of protein. I should be having more carbs, but as long as I get my protein in, I think I'll be good. Tomorrow's a rest day, so I won't see you guys tomorrow, unfortunately. I really need this rest day tomorrow because my body is feeling the effects of the running. And it's crazy because I wasn't saying this earlier after recovering from my 9 mile run. For some reason, after that recovery run this morning or just now, child, I'm tired. Clearly, I'm tired. I won't hold y'all because your girl's tired and it's time to rest, time to fuel up. Thanks for coming along with me to the gym, and I'll see you guys back again on Wednesday when I do my speed run. I don't know where I'll do that. I might do it at a park. I might do it at the gym again. We'll just see what the vibes are. That's the day before I leave for vacation. So we'll see. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye. All right, y'all. It's Wednesday. We are back in the gym, actually. I really wanted to take you guys outside somewhere fun, like, saying I'm going to Hollywood Reservoir, saying I'm going to Lake Balboa, to a park to show you guys. But this is just the reality of what my week looks like. Sometimes I just have to run on the treadmill. But today I am at the gym, of course, LA Fitness. Love it here. But seriously, I really do love it at LA Fitness. It's really that girl. So today, I already did a long run. Y'all saw I did my 9 mile long run. I did a 15-minute restorative run on Monday. I had a rest day yesterday, and that rest day was so necessary. Like, your body literally needs to repair itself and your muscles need to recover. But today I am doing, if you guys can see, I've done 3 runs. I wasn't able to record my 20-minute recovery run with you guys for you guys, but I'm doing one more run this week. It is the day 2 speed run. It's a 25-minute run. It's interval training. So interval training is what gets you faster, is what makes your pace faster. So this is really important to me. As I told you guys, I'm really focusing in on my heart rate, making sure it's low throughout these runs. So today's speed run, I am what I would consider a slow runner. I average about a 12:45 pace when I'm not thinking too hard. If I wanted to go faster, I could push a 12-minute pace. But here we are doing a speed run, and I'm going to push myself today because I'm about to go on vacation tomorrow, and I don't know how much access I'll have to run. So I want to go all in today. So I am going to do the speed run. It's an interval run, Let's see if I can give you guys more information. So it seems like we'll do a 5-minute warm-up pace, which is just, casual talking pace. Then we will do 4 minutes of a recovery pace, which is a little bit faster than that. And then we're going to go back and forth between a mile pace, 10K pace. So a mile pace is if we're talking like an 8, 9 effort out of 10. And then a 10K pace is 6.1 mile pace. So that's probably like a 6 effort. And then, yeah, that's what we have planned. So I am excited about it. Speed runs go by fast. And then I'm going to do some squats and some lunges and some pretty high intensity leg workouts because I want my legs to shake and hurt after this. All right, y'all, I'm back home from the gym. It was a great 25-minute speed interval run and just exactly what I needed before I take this flight tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed a week in the life running with me as I train for this half marathon. And make sure to get your rest, fuel up, and hydrate. Those are my top 3 tips, especially when you have a week-long running training course. So thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is about taking care of yourself from the inside out while going after your dreams. And for me, running is what stabilizes me. So I am so happy you could join for this full week of content, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe again. And thanks for being here. Thanks for being a part of this community. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.